Welcome to a brand new Siri shortcuts video where I'll be showing you how to modify an existing shortcut. I'm going to long press and hold on my download icon prototype shortcut to open it up. I'll tap on the preview and the shortcut will open. To run a shortcut, just tap the play icon. Let's run the shortcut and make sure that it works properly before we make any changes. I'll tap on OK. Now I'll type in the name of an app, and then I'll tap on Done. There's that app artwork for the InShot video editor, but I don't need to save it, so I'll tap on Cancel. I'm going to modify the shortcut so that instead of getting the artwork once I search for an app, I'm going to get the link so that I can automatically put links to any apps in the descriptions of my YouTube videos, or if you're doing a podcast, in your podcast show notes. To do that, I'll need to modify two actions in this shortcut. I don't need to save the link, so I'll delete the save file action and I'll change the detail. Instead of the artwork, I want to grab the link, so I'll tap on artwork in the get detail action and look for a detail that says store URL. This will give me the link to the page in the App Store where the app is located. This is an active URL, and although it looks like text, it's not. If you can't find it from the list, you can search for it. Now I have access to the store URL. If I run the shortcut at this point, you'll notice that nothing happens. There's our instruction page. I'll type in the name of the app. Tap on Done. And it says the shortcut is completed, but nothing happens. That's because we have to do something with the link. So I'll tap on the plus sign once more to add a new action, which will show you the link that I'm grabbing before I use it. I'll type show result. And select it from the list. Each new action is placed at the bottom of the shortcut, so you may need to move it like this to connect it to another action. When you see the line in between two actions, that means they're connected. Now watch what happens when I run the shortcut. There's our instruction page. I tap on OK. I'll type InShot once again and then tap on Done. This time, I'm presented with a Show Results box giving me the active URL to the page in the App Store where the InShot Video Editor app exists. This looks like text, but it's not. I can tap on Done, and then I get the message that says the shortcut is completed successfully. The URL looks like text, but it's not. So I'll tap on the plus sign once more, and I'll choose the action copy, which will copy the active URL to the clipboard, meaning that when I manually put it into my YouTube descriptions, you can tap or click on it and be taken directly to that page. I'll connect it to the store URL. I need to change the content of the final message, because instead of copying the artwork and saving it, I'm just copying the app URL. When you're modifying shortcuts, don't forget to make modifications in all of the relevant areas. This includes your output messages, the title and name of your shortcuts. Instead of the message that we had before, I now want to say the URL has been copied to the clipboard on this device. You can paste it into your video descriptions or podcast show notes. Let's move up to the top and we'll change the instruction page because this shortcut, although it's built on the same logic as the previous one, actually does something different and grabs the app URL rather than the app artwork. If you haven't seen my previous video, you might be curious to know why I'm using a text box. This allows me to type a bunch of text and control the formatting of it before I pass it into an alert message to begin the shortcut. This is just good programming practice. Don't worry about text formatting at this point. Just get your text in there, make sure it works properly, and that your shortcut actually does what you want it to. Then you can be worried about making it look good. You can put as much text in here as you want.
I love Mike's videos. Please subscribe to his channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials.
Next, you'll need to tap those three dots to access the shortcut details. We also need to change the shortcut name and add it to the home screen because although it was built on a previous shortcut, this is a different shortcut that is brand new. So I'll type my name here. And then I'll tap on Add to Home Screen and type a name here. This is the bookmark that will actually appear on your home screen. I'm going to change the name to Copy App URL instead of Get. So I'll type Copy App URL in this box, or App Store URL. Now I need to go back here because I like to make my shortcut names match the names that are on my bookmarks exactly. So I'll change this name once more to Copy App Store URL and then tap on Done. The shortcut has now been changed. I'll tap Done once more to exit the shortcut. And I'll run the shortcut from the bookmark I just created on my home screen to show you that it works. You can see the shortcut bookmark right here. Just tap on it to run the shortcut. There you have the formatted instruction page. I'll just tap on OK. You can take a minute to pause the video and read that if you like. If you'd like to use this shortcut, it will be available in the video description. Next, I'll type in the name of an app from the App Store. There we see the Show Results box that I put in for demonstration purposes. I'll tap on Done. If you download the shortcut from the video description, I may remove this box. So I'll tap on Done. The shortcut has run successfully. Now, I'll take the link and put it into the description of one of my YouTube videos that's already uploaded and public. This is YouTube Studio. I'll select a video, then tap on Edit. Now I'll tap on the description, and I can place the cursor anywhere I want. I'll place it right here. And then I'll paste the link into the description. And now I'll add some text so the viewer knows what this link is for. Then I'm going to tap the back arrow and save my changes. Now I'll head over to the YouTube app where you actually watch videos to show you that the link is active.
Happiness is in the air. Holidays coming, holidays coming. Show someone that you care. Holidays coming, holidays coming. Show someone that you care.
The video has started to play. If I exit full screen mode and swipe up, you can see there's my description. If I tap on the link, I'm going to tap on Safari, and there's the App Store page. The link I got using the shortcut does actually work on actual YouTube videos. Don't forget to allow trusted shortcuts if you choose to download and use this shortcut. For more great tutorials like this one, check out the links in this video description or one of these recommended videos.